Hi, I'm Derek Neusses with PPC Linear. Our Factory of the Future initiative, Applied Cobotics, ran into a problem very early on when we started implementing cobots into our facility. We found that one tray of parts in front of the cobot did not maximize the cobot's ability to run 24/7. Here at Applied Cobotics, we came up with a solution for this. We designed and built the machine behind me called the Automatic Material Lift, or AML. The AML is capable of cycling an entire cart worth of trays in front of the cobot. This allows the end user to fully automate their machine for 24 hours of unattended operation. Traditional means of automation can take weeks or maybe even months of implementation on top of the initial costs that go with that. Traditional means also only allows you to run a few different parts dimensions through that machine. The AML offers the ability to run a high mixture of parts at a competitive price compared to traditional means of automation. The AML comes pre-packaged with our collaborative robot already attached to it, the Hans collaborative robot. However, if you're already devoted to a particular cobot on the market, the AML is fully compatible with any cobot and you can easily incorporate it to the AML. As you can see here, we have the AML hooked up to a Haas mill. However, the AML is fully compatible with any cobot application. Starting the AML up is extremely easy. I'll go ahead and select the floors I want it to pull out and click Cycle Start. Now with that set up, I can go ahead and run my robot. So now the robot's set up and waiting for the AML. As soon as the AML is in position, the robot goes ahead and pulls a part out to load into the machine. Because we wanted to make the AML a high mix solution, we made these trays fully customizable to any part that the customer needs. With a tray capacity of 100 pounds, we can throw any parts we need on this tray to run it with the cobot. When the cobot's done cutting all the parts on the cart, it's extremely easy to remove it to take it to the next job site. The AML is just as collaborative as the cobots, as we have installed a floor sensor to scan the surrounding area and pause the machine when anyone gets too close. In order to meet the high speeds and demands of manufacturing shops, we decided to make the AML as easy to use as possible. With this plug-and-play solution, we were able to incorporate this machine with the Haas mill in less than a day. That required us to place the AML, program the robot, and incorporate that into the mill, and we were able to do all of that in less than a day.
Learn more at pbclinear.com.